How to start an online business with zero investment in today's digital world. Starting an online business no longer requires a large budget, office space, or expensive equipment. With free tools, social media platforms, and online marketplaces, anyone with determination and creativity can build a business with little to no financial investment. Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone seeking financial independence, starting an online business with zero investment is now more possible than ever. Why start an online business? Online businesses offer several advantages over traditional businesses. They require fewer resources, have a wider reach, and provide flexibility. You can work from home, set your own schedule, and potentially reach customers around the world. Some benefits include low startup cost, flexible working hours, access to a global audience, opportunity to earn passive income, ability to scale over time. The key ingredient is not money, it is skill, consistency, and effort. Step 1. Identify your skills and strengths. Before starting, ask yourself, what am I good at? What skills do I already have? What problems can I solve? You may have skills in writing, graphic design, cooking, teaching, video editing, social media management, photography, language translation. Even hobbies can become businesses. Your existing abilities are your starting capital. Step 2. Choose a business model. There are many online businesses that can begin without investment. Freelancing offers services such as content writing, web design, virtual assistants, video editing, social media management. You can start by creating profiles on freelancing platforms and showcasing your skills. Content creation. Create content on YouTube, blogging websites, social media platforms. Once your audience grows, you can earn through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn commissions from every sale made through your referral links. Online teaching. Teach a skill, language, or subject through video sessions or digital lessons. Print on demand. Sell custom designs on products like shirts or mugs without buying inventory. Drop shipping. Sell products online while suppliers manage storage and delivery. Step 3. Use free tools and platforms. Many online tools provide free versions for beginners. Useful free resources include social media platforms for marketing, free website builders, graphic design tools, video editing apps, cloud storage services. Start small and upgrade only when your business grows. Step 4. Build your online presence. Your online presence acts as your storefront. Ways to establish credibility. Create professional social media profiles. Post valuable content consistently. Share your expertise. Engage with followers. Display examples of your work. People buy from businesses they trust. Step 5. Focus on content marketing. Marketing does not always require paid advertisements. You can attract customers through short videos, blog articles, tutorials, helpful posts, educational content. Provide value before expecting sales. Consistency builds an audience. Step 6. Network and build relationships. Networking is powerful in online business. Join Facebook groups, online communities, discussion forums, professional networks. Connect with people in your field and participate in conversations. Opportunities often come through relationships. Step 7. Start small and improve. Many people wait for perfection before launching. This often delays progress. Instead, start with what you have. Learn while working. Improve based on feedback. Adapt to market needs. Small beginnings can lead to significant growth. Common mistakes to avoid. Beginners often make these errors. trying too many ideas at once. Expecting instant success. Ignoring customer feedback. Giving up too early. Spending money unnecessarily. Success usually requires patience and persistence. Conclusion. Starting an online business with zero investment is not about having money, it is about using your skills wisely and taking action. The internet has created opportunities that were impossible a decade ago. With dedication, free resources, and consistent effort, anyone can turn an idea into a profitable online business. The best time to start is now. Begin with your skills, use available tools, and take the first step toward building your online future.